Good morning, Daniel Gallagher. Daniel's of Philadelphia Plumbing and Heating. Today we're on site at a homeowners association and we're having some backup stormwater issues. We have an 8-inch PVC main storm drain that clears out over there in that creek. We have a separation up front. What we're doing today, we're going to run our camera and make sure there's no other separations or holding water. If the line is clear with no holding water and no separations, we're just going to do a repair right at the end of that creek. We're going to run our camera, see if we need locations. If that pipe is free and clear of any obstructions, water, or separations, we'll do a single repair down at the end. If there is an issue, on our new Spartan trap jumper camera, we'll get a location, see if to locate the break, and do another repair along the line, or maybe replace the entire line.
All right, here we go.
Okay, here we go. We got Christopher Heaton. He's one of our NASCO certified sewer lateral inspectors. We have Roddy Henningway helping him out with the camera. He's now cameraing this 8-inch PVC line, making sure there's no penetrations, separations, or obstructions, or any pipe holding water. And you can see we're starting to come to the clearing now. We got daylight at the end, right?
Yeah.
Walk down and trace the end of his camera. So our camera's following that line, that stormwater line. Here's the creek. It's all clean water, it's just stormwater. Instead of putting it back into the public sewer, they're discharging it right in this creek here. So our separation is right here. You see the frog. You can see that pipe's totally separated. So we're gonna get a mark on that. We're gonna excavate and replace this whole entire line. Get a discharge point, get some rock in there, and get that pipe flowing smoothly and correctly to that creek where it should be discharging. At this point now, water's sitting here. You're starting to see it kind of collapse down here, and that lawn's starting to dip with that separation and that belly over there on that line. We'll do a marking on the computer, get a location, submit our paperwork, and put a work order in for this.